Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is finding the mean absolute deviation. Let's look at the steps to find out the mean absolute deviation and then we'll do some questions on the topic. The mean absolute deviation is calculated in three simple steps. First of all, we determine the mean, that is, add all the numbers and divide by the count. After finding out the mean, we will determine deviation of each variable from the mean. That is, we subtract the mean value from each value of the data given to us. And then we make the deviation absolute. That is, we eliminate the negative aspect. And finally, the mean absolute deviation is found by using this formula. What is the total of all the deviations? We divide by the count, and that will give us the mean absolute deviation. Let's do this with the help of some questions. The first one says find the mean absolute deviation of this sample of data. Here we're given some data. This has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 values are given, so our n equals 8. To find out the mean, we will add up all these numbers and divide by 8. So that is 93 plus 109 plus 99 plus 96 plus 100, 95, 95 and 97. All the sum divided by 8 because 8 is a count. So this total is equals to 784 divided by 8 and this is equals to 98. So our mean is 98. Now what will we do? We'll be subtracting the mean from all the values given in the sample set. So first we'll calculate and then take the absolute of that. That is 93 minus 98, then 109 minus 98, 99 minus 98, 96 minus 98, 100 minus 98, then we have 95 minus 98, again 95 minus 98, and then 97 minus 98. This is termed as x minus x bar, where x bar is the mean and x is the values of the sample data, and then we'll absolute it also. So 93 minus 98 is a negative 5. When absoluted, we'll give it 5. So like this we'll calculate all of these. This is 11, this is 1, this is 2, this is again 2, this is 3, this is 3, and this is 1. Now we'll find out the total of all these deviations. That is, we add up all these. When we add up all these, we get as 28. Now the mean absolute deviation, that is MAD, equals to summation of x minus x bar divided by n. So the summation of x minus x bar was 28 divided by 8. We get the answer as 3.50. This is our mean absolute deviation of the data set given to us. This can be seen in option B. Let's move on to the next question. Find the mean absolute deviation of this sample of data. So the first step is going to be add up all the numbers. 61 plus 97 plus 73 plus 97 plus 79 plus 101 plus 83 divided by the count. And how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the count. Now this total is 591 divided by 7 equals 84.43. So this is our x bar or mean. So we have to find out the absolute of x minus x bar. So we'll write down 61 minus 84.43. Then we have 97 minus 84.43, 73 minus 84.43, then we have 97 minus the mean, then we have 79 minus the mean, 101 minus the mean, and then finally the last is 83 minus the mean. And not to forget, we'll take the absolute of all these. When we solve this, we get this 23.43. Then this is 12.57. All these are absolute values, so we can put the bars as well to avoid any confusion. So we'll have all positive answers now. This is 11.43. This is equals to 12.57. This is 5.43, 16.57, and this is finally 1.43. Now we'll find out the sum total of all these deviations, and we get this as 83.43. Now the mean absolute deviation MAD equals to summation of x minus x bar divided by n. This is our summation of x minus x bar. That is the sum total of all the deviations, which is equal to 83.43 divided by 7, and the answer finally we get 11.92. This is the final answer, can be seen in option B. Let's look at the next question. Solve, find the mean absolute deviation of this sample of data. Now here our rule remains the same. We'll add up all the sample data values. 339 plus 304 plus 305 plus 304 plus 332 plus 344 plus 342 plus 341 divided by the count. Let's see how many numbers we have in the data. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 is the count. Now this totals up to 2919 divided by 9, which is equals to 324.33. Now we'll find out the absolute of x minus x bar. So we'll write down all the values like in this order. 339 minus the mean, then we have 304 minus the mean, then we have, let's solve this is 16.33. Now remember, all of these will be positive because we have taken the absolute value of the deviation, 20.33. We'll write the next three set now. We completed 304. So now we have 305 minus the mean, 304 again minus the mean, then we have 332 minus the mean, then 344 minus the mean, then we have 342 minus the mean, and last one will fit here, 341 minus the mean. So 341 is the last one, and for this we get the answer as 16.67. This is 17.67. Now this is 344 is 19.67. This is equals to 7.67. This is equals to 20.33, and 305 minus the mean is 19.33. Now the value of MAD, that is the mean absolute deviation, is sum total of all these deviations. When we total this up, we get 152.67. 152.67 divided by 9, that is a count, and the final answer is 16.96. This is the final answer, can be seen in option B. I hope finding the mean absolute deviation is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.